Tara, let's try the ritual cleansing here in Arakurayama Sengen Park. This is Sophia, our tour guide, and she showed us how to do the proper cleansing. And ang dali lang pala, sana di ko makalimutan ha. Basta don't forget not to drink the water. Pero in all fairness, ang linaw ng water and parang nilagyan ng yellow. Anyway, it's my turn na. Syempre nagpa-video ako sa kabayan na tour mate ko. Thanks again. And then after the ritual cleansing, umakyat na kami to have a photo with the famous spot here. Kaya lang, it's too high and we only have limited time. Kaya we opted to back out. Kasi maputik when we got there at di kaya maakyat ng mabilisan. So yun, nagpa-picture na lang kami with the view of Mount Fuji along the steps. Actually, maganda din naman and Mount Fuji din yung makikita sa taas. But if you have a lot of time, I suggest you try to check out to reach that spot. Iba din kasi. And then bumaba na nga kami kasi baka madulas pa kami. Ang daming tao at saka matubig pa yung dinadaanan.